Hi, in this video I'm going to go through how you can utilize Word's word count feature. There are times when you're creating documents that you may need to count your words, whether you're doing legal documents, school assignments, or reports. Word's built-in word count feature is a great way to track the number of words within your document. This feature also allows you to determine whether you wish to include your text boxes, footnotes, and endnotes in your totals as well. And in addition to counting words, it can also count the number of pages, paragraphs, lines, and characters within your documents. So let's go ahead and get started using the word count feature. First thing is, by default, the word count is listed on your status bar. So if you go to the bottom of your document, you should see an area where it says words and the number of words. Now this is always going to be updating as you're editing your document. Whether you're adding words, deleting words, it'll continually update. Now, if you do not see the word count listed within your status bar, you can do a right click on your status bar and it'll bring up the Customize Status Bar dialog box. From here, you can add and remove features. Any feature that has a check mark is a feature that's been added to the status bar. So as you can see here, my word count is added to my status bar. Checking it will toggle it off, it's removed, and clicking it to add the check mark will toggle it on to add it to your status bar. So now, as I add words to my document, you'll see that the word count will increase. If you want to see additional statistics about the word count within your documents, such as the number of pages, the number of characters, paragraphs, or lines within there, you can actually go into the word count statistics. There's two ways that you can do it. The first way is just come down to your status bar and click on words, and it's going to open up the word count dialog box. From here, you can see the number of pages, words, characters with no spaces, characters with spaces, paragraphs, and lines. And then you'll also notice there's a checkbox, include text boxes, footnotes, and endnotes. When this is checked, it's going to include these items in your count. When it's unchecked, it removes them from your count. So it's up to you whether you want those included or not, and you can toggle it on and off using the checkbox. The second way you can access the statistics is to go to the Review tab. Once we click on the Review tab, we're going to come over to the Proofing group and click Word Count. And this is going to bring up the same Word Count Statistics dialog box. And from here we can see the same information. It's just another way to get to it. So either click on words within your status bar, or go up to the Review tab and click on Word Count. There may be times when you're working on your document that you need to count the words within a specific area. So for instance, if I needed to know how many words were within this paragraph, I can select an area to count the words within that area. Once you have your area highlighted, we'll go to the Review tab, click on Word Count, and it'll give us the count information for the specific area that was highlighted. So that's how easy it is to keep track of the words within your document. You can count the words, pages, characters, lines, and paragraphs. And you can determine whether or not you want to include the text boxes, footnotes, and endnotes. The word count is listed on the status bar, but if you don't see it, do a right click on your status bar and turn it on.